Do you want to enable Hibernate option on Power menu? In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to enable Hibernate in Windows 10. Okay, let us start. But before like, subscribe, and tap on notification button. Okay. Here you see there is no hibernation option here. Tap on Start and type in Control Panel. Tap to open. Here in Category, select Large icon. Here tap on Power option. Click on Choose what the Power button does. On Shutdown setting you can see the Hibernate option is inactive. The tap on Change setting that are currently unavailable. Then it's available. Check the box. Click on Save Changes. Close this. After that, click on Start. Tap on Power. Here you can see Hibernate option is now available. So that's how we enable Hibernate option. Check out these cool videos. Have a nice time.